Morning everyone, got you guys resting on a candle. We are having breakfast. Clara's over here. Just made myself a matcha. Look at that. It's a new one I just got from Amazon. I can link it down. And I just do it with, I did this like cold foam. I've got a frother and it does cold foam and like just hot normal foam. And yeah, it looked so good. And I feel like I just put a little bit of milk and it just looks like I got loads. Butter and jam on toast. Clara's got her Weetabix. I've got my scan today. Excuse the appearance. My goodness, I feel like my hair is everywhere. I got my scan today. Well, I'm currently 27 weeks pregnant, so this is a growth scan. Basically, they was thinking that baby is measuring small, but yeah, they're hoping that this scan will show if baby is still small or if they're back on track. We don't know. So yeah, got to drop Clara off for my mother-in-law's house, and you can't take children to scans. It's the only thing. I was thinking that last pregnancy I had 3 scans and like I was working, so it's kind of like if you had more scans, like they'd be fine to let you go and get your scans and stuff. It seemed a bit easier, whereas now it's kind of like I have loads more scans.
No.
You okay, mice?
No.
Okay. I've got loads more. Okay, baby, agua. I've got loads more scans, and I've got to find like childcare for all of them. So, yeah, it's interesting. But yeah, and then the rest of the day, I'm gonna try and clean this cupboard in the kitchen. Then I'm gonna try and clear out and like just declutter it and find another place for it, because exciting news, we are getting a dishwasher, so I'm very excited about that. It actually doesn't feel real, to be honest. I sound so silly, but I've never had a dishwasher, so I'm just like, what is life gonna be like with dishwasher? So yeah, very grateful, feeling very blessed to be able to have one. Yeah, gonna eat my breakfast and we're already ready, so I'm just gonna go straight after that. So this was the next day. I was organising the cupboard, getting everything out. So that's the before and after. And then that is the crumble I made. It's a blackberry and apple crumble. It was delicious, if I do say so myself. Morning guys, there she is. My lovely dishwasher. I mean, you can't really see what it looks like. I'm literally so excited. Like, David is at work and as soon as he comes home, he's gonna fit it in for us. We could have gotten them to fit it in, but at the same time we're getting rid of a cupboard in our kitchen to be able to fit it in, because we obviously never had a dishwasher. So David's gonna have a fun, lovely job to do after his job, where he's gonna take out the cupboard and fit it all in, but hopefully we'll be able to use it tonight for the first time ever. I'm so excited, literally. Are you okay? Yeah. Had to move her little helper tower thing, because, sorry if you can hear the washing machine as well, because obviously we just put a dishwasher there for now until David gets to it. But I'm literally so excited. I can't wait to not have to wash up fiddly bits like cups and cutlery. We got a slimline one, so I might not be able to fit like a lot of things in there, but just by fitting like glasses and cutlery, and no one wants to wash cutlery, so I'm so excited. I can't wait. Yeah, sorry it's been a busy couple of days. It's Wednesday today. Got my friend coming around soon with her 2 kids, and we're gonna play and sit in the garden, and yeah, it's just been very busy. And I've also been really tired, like 27 weeks pregnant, but like it's literally been exhausting. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna be in the third trimester. I'm obviously a week away from the third trimester, and the exhaustion has hit hard lately. I just can't, like, I do something and I have to sit down, I do something else and I have to sit down. I'm just so tired. I don't know why, but yeah, a little update of yesterday's scan. So we obviously went for the scan, and I will insert a picture on the screen. Yeah, baby's looking good. They not concerned about baby size anymore because it's now above the 10th centile, so it's 11th. So it's above that centile, so they're not worried. Everything with my blood pressure and everything like that is fine. So I'm really happy about that. Basically, at the very end, as I was about to push Clara out last time, I got preeclampsia. So now they're being very, like, extra cautious with me and checking, like, the blood flow to the placenta, checking my blood pressure, like urine and stuff, like to check for proteins and things. And I am obviously also, I don't know if I've ever mentioned it here, but I'm taking like aspirin, and that's supposed to like help, don't quote me on it, but I think it's supposed to help with the blood flow to the placenta. So that's what I've been doing since 12 weeks. Can I have that, please? Thank you. So that's what I've been doing, and yeah, so everything's looking good. Baby was very wriggly, but we did get measurements in the end, and yeah, I'm very pleased, and I'm so excited. I'm like, I can't wait. Obviously we don't know the gender, so it's just extra surprise. So yeah, excited about that. Yeah! Oh, look how gorgeous. She is so white and pristine.
Let's see if she fits. No, I'm joking.
No, not the baby. Here she is, guys, in place. All ready to go. We just ran a short cycle after putting in like the salt and rinse aid and stuff. And she's ready to go. We do have a mountain of washing up to put in there. But now I'm going to have to actually check to see what can go in there or not. So, yeah, I'm excited. Right, let's do that. Listen to that beautiful sound. Sound of me not having to wash up. Although I still have loads, but nothing compared to the amount I've just put in there. Slimline, but you can fit a lot in, to be honest.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit.
So guys, it's been several days, but I came here to end this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm now about to start another video for you guys, so stay tuned. Bye bye.